Hey everyone, struggling with a network connection failed error in Mobile Legends Bang Bang? Don't worry, I will guide you through a few simple steps to fix it and get you back in the game. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. If you are using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router and moving closer to it for a stronger signal. Next, clear the game's cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, manage apps. It depends on your phone model. And then find Mobile Legends from the list. Then storage and clear cache. This will not delete your game data but can fix minor glitches. Also, check if any background apps are using your internet. Streaming services or downloads can slow down your connection. Close all the unnecessary apps before launching Mobile Legends. If the issue persists, test your connection using a browser or another app like YouTube. If everything else works fine, Mobile Legends server might be temporarily down. You can check for server outage using platforms like Down Detector or the official Mobile Legends social media accounts. Lastly, ensure both your game and device are updated. Outdated software can cause connection errors. If updates are available, install them and restart your device. That's it. With these fixes, your network issues should be resolved. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mobile Legends tips. See you in the land of down.